The project management profession is in high demand. By 2027, the project management-based jobs are expected to grow by 33%. However, as the size and complexity of a project increases, the required performance level also skyrockets. While managing the project, a project manager is exposed to various demanding situations. This leads to the continuous production of stress to the project manager and project team as well. Today we would learn about 5 types of project management stress. Project management requires a various set of skills, ranging from core technical to people management skills. The project manager requires to use these skills to have the right information, at the right time, to make the right decision. So, yes, project management is a stressful job, and managing the stress among the project team is one of the critical responsibilities of the project manager. Let's have a better understanding of stress type in project management. As a project manager, you may be responsible for one or several projects. This brings a lot of stress and disruption to your work-life balance. Broadly speaking, there are 5 different types of stress that project manager faces while managing the project. The first one is time stress. Time is the essence of any project, and on-time delivery of each deliverable is critical for the project's success. And when I say deliverable, it's not only the final product. Often the project is obligated to deliver output in a phased manner throughout the project timeline. The second one is cost stress. Financial performance is a must for any project. Remember, the fundamental purpose of most projects is to either make money or save money. The third one is situational stress. Project management is the integration of various knowledge areas and cross-functional teams. This generates the various type of tough situations. To resolve such issues needs selective skills and efforts. This situation could be as common as some safety incidents at site, disputes, personal issues, office politics, and so on. The fourth one is encounter stress. Communication management with various stakeholders of the project is the key activity, which you should be performing on a daily basis. If you are worried about approaching people to get the job done, or not comfortable with unpleasant feelings or conversion, then it's going to be a tough journey for you. The fifth one is anticipatory stress. Projects are continuously bombarded with various kinds of risks like schedule risks, cost risks, customer, and other stakeholder issues. This risk adds up to the stress level. Irrespective of wherever you're placed in the project organization chart, you will be continuously exposed to stress while working on the project. And now you can easily identify the type of stress and work on it. And if you would like to know more about projects and project management, visit us at projectsmind.com. At projectsmind.com, we support project people in all the amazing work they do every day. Our objective is to provide access to world-class project management education for anyone, anywhere in the world for free. The concepts you will learn are applicable to all projects, from Fortune 500 firms to all the way to your own home. And don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. See you later, and bye for now.